is day 3 in Dubai. We're at the top, at the Burj Khalifa, about to go up and be the tallest building in the world. You ready? You ready?
We're ready. Let's go. Let's go.
Ooh, it feels good. We're at the top. People are sitting down and getting pictures. I don't know if you actually get a view that way. Who knows? We'll see. So next we headed up to the second floor. They had another outlook here and also interactive games and an area for you to take pictures. This was something that we didn't actually explore, but it looked to be pretty cool from afar. We were kind of on a time crunch and had to be at the Museum of the Future pretty soon. So we checked it out really quickly and then went on to our next location. We are now at the Museum of the Future.
Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists.
Please proceed forward, not stop by the entrance, keep moving.
As I was saying, the historic first downlink of the Soul Energy System, transmitting solar power from here to this station behind me, will go online tomorrow.
Keep switching from me to Jared.
This is dope. I ain't gonna lie, this is dope.
It's species inside of here. That's wild. This is wild. So the Museum of the Future is this full-on interactive experience where essentially you're pretending that all humans have gone to space and are living there, and each floor is representing a different thing that was developed to make life in space work well. And so this floor right here that we're on was all about like this whole prioritization of mental health and well-being in space. And so these are all like hypothetical things that could happen and be developed in the future.
You getting dizzy right now?
No, surprisingly I'm not. This is cool. Then the next floor was all about technology and innovation, and honestly, based off of other people's videos, I thought this was going to be a little bit more engaging. The robot dog would be walking around our legs and stuff like that, whereas this was more caged off like a typical, you would expect an exhibit in a typical museum. So I will say the videos that made it seem like the tech was like super interactive and you could really be hands-on with it. Maybe that's special days, but when we were there, that was not the
So far,
case.
so good. My ankle's on fire, but everything is pretty good. Pretty light, pretty smooth. We got here early, so it's not a lot of people. It's still a lot of people, but it's not insane. It's not crazy. But yeah, now we're finna go to the observation deck. Peace. Try to get a photo out.
We're on the boat. We probably missed we definitely missed our reservation. It was supposed to be at 2:30 and it's now almost 3 o'clock. Because getting through this area is a little bit more complicated than people tell you. But it's okay. We get this boat ride. Hopefully we'll get our money back. Well, we're gonna get our money back. And then we'll find somewhere else to eat. So life update, we were literally 30 minutes late to our reservation here at Pai Tai. It's a very well-known restaurant. People love to come here. It's hard to get a reservation sometimes. The only reservation we could get today was at 2:30 p.m. We got here at 3 and I was so nervous we weren't going to be able to get seated, but they set us and we're now eating and the food is 10 out of 10. So definitely plan in advance if you're going to come here. Like you need to get here 45 minutes earlier. And I'm sure it's worse when you come for dinner. Like this is the last time slot for lunch, so it's pretty empty. But if you were coming from dinner, you got to wait for the boat and it takes a few minutes. And so there's a lot of people trying to come down here. Plan your time wisely so you're not stressed out like me. All right, let's eat.
So you said it's not spicy? You thought it was? I don't know it's not spicy to me, but I know you think. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know you have a sensitivity. Man. That is really good.
It is.
How are we gonna split this?
You not gonna have that because you gotta finish what you She wanna eat all the appetizers and the food.
People, wow, that is so good. Just split it in half. Cut it down the middle.
She don't need no more.
No, I'm gonna eat. You can have it. You're on vacation. You only live once.
All right, so we just finished dinner at Pai Tai and it was amazing. 10 out of 10. They let us in. We got to experience it all and it was so nice, so pleasant, so delicious, so worth coming and checking it out. After eating, we decided to take the boats to the main souk shopping area that's on this, I don't know if it's a part of the resort or just so happens to be close to the resort, but what I do know is it was beautiful. A lot of people say that this is more of a touristy style souk, but honestly, I would say it definitely touristy, but also for the bougie lovers. If you love a little bougie experience, this is the shopping place you probably would want to be. The prices honestly weren't that crazy in comparison to the regular perfume souks, the gold souks, and all that stuff, but I definitely would recommend coming here. People say don't, but to me this was really nice.
I'm spelling, yeah.
It'll be crazy.
Okay, so we are at a place called Bluewaters. Muhammad, our driver, told us to come here, and it was a great recommendation. It's super, super cool. We have the biggest Ferris wheel. It is huge. Look, Grant.
Nice.
Okay, so we came from Bluewaters over here, back there, and now we're on this bridge that you can walk on. Oh, this is the bike lane. We're in the bike lane. So we need to get over. We need to get over here. So now we're on this bridge that you walk to, and when you walk across, you'll be at Jumeirah Beach. Over there.
So we ended up walking through Bluewaters, walking across that bridge, and then even walking pretty far on Jumeirah Beach. They had a really cool kind of boardwalky vibe with lots of restaurants and desserts and things like that. The people were out this night. And so all that walking, we were ready to eat something. We were going to go to this food hall, which the interior design is just incredible here. It is beautiful. Really wanted to eat here, but they were about to close not that far off from when we got there, and nothing really was catching our eye here. Like, it wasn't matching the vibe of our taste buds. Aesthetically wonderful, but when it comes to what we really had the taste for, nothing stood out here. So we ended up walking literally like 2 minutes away to the Porsche Cafe. It's called Driven. And love this about Dubai. They have so many cafes that are different themes, and this one was Porsche themed. So inside there are actual Porsche cars on display for you to check out. They also have a full coffee menu, but also a full food menu. So I'm talking burgers, acai bowls, wraps, brunch, French toast, you name it, they have it. This was a really cool experience and a great way to end our night.
You can sign your name, but it's full. You would have to do it like on the side. There's spots on the side. Yeah, and on the back. But yeah, you can sign your name on here.